Today on DelphStack, I will show you how to create a feedback form in Google Forms. Open your browser and go to Google Forms. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. When the page opens, click the blank form option. This gives you a new form to start with. At the top, click where it says Untitled Form and type Feedback Form. Below that, add a short description if you want, such as, "Please share your feedback." Click the first question to edit it. By default, it is a multiple-choice question. If you want a short answer instead, click the drop-down menu on the right and choose Short Answer. Type your question. For example, "What is your name?" To add another question, click the plus button on the right side. Add a question like, "How was your experience?" and choose a linear scale if you want users to rate from 1 to 5. For open feedback, add a new question and choose Paragraph. Type something like, "Please write your suggestions." If you want to make any question required, turn on the Required switch at the bottom of the question. To change the appearance of the form, click the theme icon at the top and choose a color or background image. After you finish adding questions, click the eye icon to preview the form and see how it looks to users. If everything looks good, click the Publish button at the top. This generates a link you can copy and share with anyone. This is how you create a simple and clean feedback form in Google Forms. Thanks for watching.